Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to recover deleted photos in Google Files saved folder. If you've accidentally deleted photos from the Google Files saved folder, here's what you need to know. Start by opening your File app, go to Settings, and enable the option Show Hidden Files. That's one. Once that's on, head into the Save folder and enter your PIN to check if the photos are still there. I'm actually inside my save folder, but you can't see anything for security purposes. So there we go. And if you don't see anything inside from your end, the next step is to check your phone's internal storage and see if your deleted photos are stored there. Here's where you can find it. Internal storage. There we go. Sometimes they're still accessible in other storage locations like Google Drive or other backup services linked to your account. But here's the important part. If you can't find your photos in the safe folder, internal storage, or cloud backups, it usually means they've been permanently deleted. No third-party apps can magically bring them back, despite what some videos might claim. The only real option at that point is to reach out directly to Google support. They can guide you on whether there's any recovery possibility linked to your account. So in short, check the safe folder with hidden files enabled, look through device storage and backups, and if the photos are truly gone, contact Google support for help. Once files are permanently deleted from the safe folder, there isn't a guaranteed recovery method. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.